Okay, Higgsfield just went completely free. Every new user gets 1 full day, 24 hours, of unlimited access to all their top models. And yes, Seedance 2.0 is included. So I signed up, and I spent the whole day making as much as I possibly could. Images, videos, even voices, just to find out if it is actually real. And I am going to be honest with you the entire way through. Let me show you everything I made. If you have not heard of Higgsfield before, here is the simple version. It is one platform that puts a whole stack of the best AI models in one place. The kind you would normally pay for one by one. Images, video, and audio all together. And right now, for new users, all of it is open for a full day for free. So I really wanted to test that. So here is how you get in. You go to the Higgsfield website and you sign up, just like a brand new user. It asks you a couple of quick questions, what you want to make, how you found them, and that is it. Now, I will be straight with you. It does ask for a card, but the whole day is free. If you decide it is not for you, you cancel in one click within 24 hours, and you pay nothing. I put in my details, and just like that, 1 full day of unlimited access, active. And look at this screen. Every top model is right here, unlocked. Images, video, audio, and everything shows 0. This is the part that got me. All top models, for 24 hours, completely free. So I stopped reading about it, and I just started making. And here is something worth stopping on. Normally, making this kind of stuff costs money. Every single generation adds up, and some of these models are not cheap at all. But on this free day, every one of them shows the same thing. 0. That is what made me want to push it as far as I could. I started with images. First one, a close-up portrait of an old fisherman. Look at that skin. The light in his eyes, the little details. That is one model. Then I switched to a completely different one and asked for a cozy little bookshop built inside a giant tree, and it gave me this warm storybook world. Switched again, a tiny room, glowing at night, packed with detail. And let me show you how simple this actually is. I just type what I want right in the box, I pick a model, I hit generate, and this is what comes back. No settings to mess with, no manual, nothing complicated. So I decided to really push it. Different subjects, different moods, wild ideas, simple ones. I threw everything at it, just to see if it would hit some kind of limit and stop me. It did not. I kept switching models and styles, something photorealistic, then something painted, then a clean little 3D render, a neon street at night, a quiet cafe in the morning. Each one used a different top model, and every single one was free. Honestly, I lost count of how many I made. No credits ticking down, no message telling me I hit a wall. I could make as many as I wanted, in any style I wanted. Then I moved over to video. And this is where it really clicked for me. This is Seedance 2.0. I gave it one line of text, and it made me this ocean wave rolling over the rocks. Watch the water move. That is not a stock clip. That is fully generated. Then a hummingbird hovering right next to a flower, the wings just a soft blur. I kept feeding it ideas. A lone samurai, a dragon, spreading its wings and lifting off a snowy mountain. Every one of these came from a single sentence I typed, and it is all still on the free day. I could not stop replaying that dragon. The way the light hits it, the way it moves, it genuinely looks like a real shot from a film. And remember, all of that came from one line of text. And it does not stop at pictures and video. There is audio too. You type what you want it to say, you pick a voice, and it speaks it right back to you. You can swap the voice completely, and you can even change the language. So think about that. The images, the video, and the voice for it, all in one place, all on the same free day. And think about what that actually means for a creator. Normally, you jump between 3 or 4 different tools, different logins, different bills, just to get an image, a video, and a voice for it. Here, it is all in one place. And for a full day, it costs nothing. That is exactly why I wanted to show you this before the free window closes. Scroll through this with me for a second. Every single thing on this screen, I made today. This is not a stock library. These are all my own generations, one after another after another. This right here is what unlimited actually looks like. I was not watching a credit counter. I was not hitting a wall. I just kept creating. And honestly, that is the part that is hard to believe until you see it with your own eyes. So let me bring it home. Every new user gets a full 24 hours, one day, of unlimited access to all top models on the Higgsfield website. Seedance 2.0 included. Completely free. If you love it, you can stay with Higgsfield Plus and get 7 extra days of unlimited access. And if it is not for you, you cancel in one click during the first day and you pay nothing. The link is right there in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. So go sign up, make something wild, and show me what you come up with. I will see you in the next one.